ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਲਾਸ 8ਵੀਂ ਦੇ ਬੋਰਡ ਦੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ MCQs ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ। MCQs 1 ਮਾਰਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਫਿਲਅਪਸ ਜੋ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਉਹ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਨਵੀਂ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਚਲਾਈ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਨ। ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ। ਚਲੋ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ MCQs ਹਨ। ਫਸਟ, which among the following is not an unnatural resource? The उत्तर है B, solar energy. Second, which minerals are included in the metallic minerals? The उत्तर है A, iron, copper, silver. Third, from what is estimated that a country is rich or poor? The उत्तर A, from the presence of resources. Fourth, which of the following statements is wrong? The उत्तर है C, life on earth first of all started from the land resources. Fifth, look at the following pie chart carefully and tell what percentage of total area is covered with non-agricultural land. तो इस उत्तर है C, 14%. आगे, sixth, Seema's father does farming in the fields of Assam where it rains heavily. Due to rain, the fertile elements of soil move away from the lower layers of land and oxides remain on the land. In what way of soil Seema's father is doing farming? The उत्तर है B, laterite soil. Seventh, the vegetation which grows in delta areas is named dash vegetation. The उत्तर है D, delta. Again, whose natural habitation the forests are regarded? The उत्तर है D, wild animal. Ninth, with which of the energy resource is the activity shown in the picture related? The उत्तर है C, wind energy. 10th, from which energy electricity is being prepared in countries like Russia, Japan and New Zealand? तो इस उत्तर A, geothermal energy. 11th, which state in India produces the maximum gold? तो इस उत्तर है D, Karnataka. 12th, see carefully the map of India and tell that which mineral is produced in the marked area. तो इस उत्तर है C, iron ore. 13th, from 1744 AD to 1763 AD, at which place the three wars were fought between the English and the French? तो इस उत्तर C, Karnataka. 14th, in India, where are situated the President House, Parliament House and India Gate? तो इस उत्तर है A, Delhi. 15th, in 1615 AD, Sir Thomas Roy was made the representative of the East India Company. From which Mughal emperor he was able to get the trade concession? तो इस उत्तर है B, Jahangir. 16th, who died while fighting with the British at Seringapatam? तो इस उत्तर है D, Tipu Sultan. 17th question, who is regarded as the founder of the civil services? आगे चलते हैं यहाँ पर. 18th, in 1863 AD, who was the first who succeeded in the examination of civil services? तो इस उत्तर है इस उत्तर रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर नहीं आएगा, B, देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सॉरी सत्येंद्रनाथ टैगोर, C आएगा उत्तर. 19th, what was the main purpose of the British policies regarding agriculture? तो इस उत्तर C, to collect maximum wealth from India. Question number 20, due to commercialization of agriculture, the farmers started growing crops like wheat, cotton, oilseeds, sugarcane and jute. For the industries of which country these crops were made as raw material? तो इस उत्तर है C, England. 21st question, when was the Nagpur Act passed by the British Society? तो इस उत्तर है B, 1908. 22nd, what was the name of the tribe living in the hilly areas of Manipur? तो इस उत्तर है D, Koki. 23, in 1879 AD, यानी Domini, approximately how many mills of the cotton industry were set up in India? तो इस उत्तर है 59. In which century, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, hand woven cotton and silk garments were started to be prepared? तो इस उत्तर है C, 20. 25th, among the following whose adopted son was refused to be recognized as heir by the British? तो इस उत्तर है A, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. 26th, According to the doctrine of lapse of Lord Dalhousie, which states were annexed into the British Empire? This is already all of these, yani Sambalpur, Jhansi, Nagpur and Udaipur. 27th. With which purpose the British came to India? This is the aid to do trade. 28th question. In the map of India, which of the marked areas were the centers of the revolt of 1857? This is already all of these, yani Delhi, Meerut, Jhansi. Part C. Who was elected as a permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? This is be Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 30th. Tell the number of members of the drafting committee. This is 7. Yani C. 31st question. When was the civil disobedience movement started? This is B. 1930. Again 32nd. How many total meetings of the Indian Constituent Assembly were held? This is B. 11. In India, every person is fully entitled to equal opportunities for livelihood and equal salary for equal work. Under what is it registered in the Constitution of India? This is B. Directive Principles of State Policy. 34th. India is totally dash in the foreign affairs. This is A. Free. Again. 35th question. Under which amendment in the preamble to Constitution the integrity and the unity has been included? This is C. 42nd. 36th question. For the achievement of the principles of the Indian Constitution, various dash have been made. This is C. Laws. 37th question. Under which provisions the right to education has been included in the Constitution? This is B. Provision 21A. 30th. If any child of 6 to 14 years is forcibly employed in the factory, then which right of his is violated? This is C. Right against exploitation. 39th. According to which provision of the Constitution, no citizen can be discriminated on the basis of creed, caste, gender and race? This is A. Provision 15. 40th. The rights which enable a person to live human life are called? This is C. Human rights. तो प्यारे बच्चे अज दी वीडियो लेना ही मैं तो समझ में लगा अगली वीडियो इस पूरा देखने धन्यवाद।